welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda, love saying things, super glad to see you here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. I have a video here that is a friend mail and a LeLe Posh haul. And I'll start with the LeLe Posh. I will have to put my glasses on because it's on, things are written on a card that is teeny tiny. And it comes in a nice canvas bag. And I did order one extra thing. And I ordered this eyeshadow, which is called Willow Strong. And it says LeLe Posh Cosmetics. And this is it's broken. I broke it trying to open the package. And it is a white shimmer and it's very, very beautiful. But if I opened it again, it'll get everywhere. And that was like $5. And then the items in my bag come with this beautiful card. And this is called Autumn Skies. And let's start with the first thing, which is the Jelly Blush. Soft Rose Blurring Jelly Brush. And this was a $30 bag, and it's a $65 value. So this is the Soft Rose Blurring Jelly Blush, a soft rose colored cheek tint that softens the appearance of pores and fine lines. Safe to use on the face, lips, and eyes. Value $12. And it's in a very nice jar. And it looks like this. And I will put a little, oh, that's a lot. Let's see if I can't put, and it is very much a gel. It's very, very smooth. And then I'll put this little dot here. And it puts just a real sheer glow, which would be great for lips and cheeks. But it's a little more sheer than I will wear personally. But it's still very nice. Next up we have, this is an Ombre Skies Pressed Glitter Single Pan, and it's a $3 value. Oh, and it's got a magnet on the bottom so you can put it right in the Z palette. And it is very beautiful. And we all know what glitter looks like, so we're not going to swatch it. So that is number 2 from the box, or the bag. And there's a, oh, this actually has that Willow eyeshadow on it. It's really very pretty. It's very shimmery. It's got a very ethereal glow to it. And it came with this little cute little sticker girl, and I like her a lot. So now we know what the Willow eyeshadow looks like. It's blinding. And LeLe Posh is known for their blinding highlights and shimmers. Next up is Pumpkin Spice Cocoa Tinted Lip Balm. A stunning soft tinted lip balm, perfect for fall, value $5. And I have swatched it earlier. And it's very sheer as well. It doesn't really leave much of a color, but it's a nice little lip balm. We have 3 more things left. Next up is the Lit Extreme Gel Highlighter. This jelly highlight is so blinding it may be dangerous. Apply with a finger or brush for full opacity, or buff it out for a soft glow. This gel goes on wet and dries down like a pressed highlight and can be worn in the face, eyes, and body. Stunning on all skin tones. Value $15. I do have some highlighter on, but I'm going to use a little of this to show you. It's very full. I'm just going to take a little tiny bit and apply it to my cheek. And I'll put some on the other side. But it really is blinding. And it's going to dry down. And it's very beautiful, and that's $15. Then the next up is the Autumn Skies Pressed Highlighter, 44, it says ounce. I don't think this is 44 ounces. Pan in Gold Floral Compact. This beautiful highlight is non-glittery glow with a soft pigment backing the stunning highlight. Goes on pink with a red to orange shift. Perfect for all skin tones. Value $18. And it is very beautiful and pink. Let me get this finger here. Put it in the middle of my hand, and you can see the pink shimmer. And that is very, very pretty. And then last but not least, we have Autumn Kiss Matte Liquid Lippy. A soft, smoothing matte lippy in our signature jewel top component. This is perfect fall shade for $12. And this is very beautiful color. I have not tried it on my mouth, but I will do a swatch. And that is a very pretty color. It is like a pumpkin-y red color. Kind of wine-ish. It's like more of a wine color. It's very pretty. So this is this is an $18 value. This is $12. And then we've got the liquid highlighter. We've got the lip balm. We got the glitter. And we got this blush. And this is a pretty great bag for $30. And it gives you a good chance to try some things out. And look at that. Highlighter is just amazing. And I'm super excited about trying some of the LeLe Posh out. I hope you've enjoyed this section of our video. The next section is friend mail. We love friend mail. First off, I'm going to do the smaller package, and this is from my friend Erica Mullins, and she is a subscriber and good friend to us, and we have spent a lot of time together in live streams and videos, and there's crocheted things in here, so I have to be very careful opening the package. But it's a beautiful pink package, and I love how gorgeous it is. There we go. Woo! I scratched out our addresses. Aw, she's got this. Let's do it all at once. And she put this in a really sweet little bag. And it's even got a, oh, this is so awesome. She gave me some little pins that say Rockstar, which is super cool, and I would love to have in my hair. I can't wait to use those. That is awesome. And this is a winter headband to keep your ears warm. And this is beautiful wine color. I told her 3 colors I liked, and I asked her to just choose one, but she decided to make 3, which I am thankful for, but she did not have to do. And these are beautifully made, very, very nice, really good quality. And this is a beautiful olive one, kind of olivey army green, which is one of my favorite colors of all time. Oh, and oh, she knows I love cherries. She sent me some cherry stickers. Those are so great. I love those. Those are so beautiful. And there's a card. And let's show you the last headband. I'm probably going to not read the card out loud because it could be personal in nature. Ooh, look at that LeLe Posh highlighter. That is insane. And here's the black headband. Very nice. She really hooked me up. And oh, she's got a little Siamese cat on the card, and I love that. Oh, it's just a real simple note. Rhonda, I hope you love and enjoy your goodies, and I do love them, and I will enjoy them. And I love you too, Miss Erica. Thank you so much. I like to try to keep my cards. So that is one down, and then the last is all the way from Canada. Oh, my friend Zach, Mukbangs and More. We have done a snack exchange. And I'm going to open the box here, but I'm going to, on a live stream, I'll be doing a taste test. Ow! Jesus Christ, it's so big. I almost broke a nail just now, and it really hurt. Wow. And this is super taped up. It's a huge box. It's got stuff in it. Oh, my nail. Oh, it almost tore off my thumb. Oh, it's not Zach's fault. It's my clumsiness. This is super well taped. Maybe I should try to untape it before I started the video. That may have been a good idea, Rhonda. You big goofball. I'm just going to cut this box here and just pull things out from the end because it's much easier than to undo everything. And the first thing I have is all dressed potato chips. Ooh, and these are some fancy Canadian chips that I've never tried, and I've been having a Jones or some chips lately. You guys know I'm keto, but sometimes I have cheat days, and this will definitely be a cheat day. Oh, and then we've got some Cheetos that are puffs from Canada. Hello, Louie. And that's very exciting. And then this is what I'm really the most excited about. I just threw the box. Is these Coffee Crisp candy bars. And thank you, Zach, so much. You're so thoughtful to give me all these snacks. Thank you so much. I can't wait to eat them on a live stream, hopefully with you watching. So thank you guys so much for my friend mail. You guys make my day, and when I get friend mail, it just makes me feel so special and loved because our community is so great, and I feel so close to so many of you. But it just warms my heart, and it makes me feel really sweet and special and loved. And thank you guys for bringing that joy to me today. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys have a great day. See you real soon.